Introducing the Stefa VHB, a high-performance folding machine built for power, precision, and long-term durability, exclusively from MacTech. Born from a Swiss-inspired design, the VHB features modular C-shaped arms and a fully welded free frame. It's built for uniform force distribution and unmatched reliability. What makes it solid? 25mm thick steel arms, reinforced hinges, and a precision-machined IP structural base, engineered for heavy-duty operation. The inclined bending beam is more than a design choice. It's a practical solution. It improves access for inward-facing profiles and reduces the chance of material collisions. All critical contact points, the bending beam, clamping beam, and table, are crafted from high-strength, low-alloy steel. Built to last, the newly designed C-arm clamp occupies less space while offering a longer clamping length, minimizing collisions with challenging geometries. From 5mm to 1,250mm, the VHB's expansive back gauge range makes it ideal for industrial gutters and tapered bends, with up to 500mm variation between sides. Retractable trays and repositionable gauge fingers provide full control in counterbend operations and ensure consistent support for precision bending. An extra bending tool reinforces thick steel folds. Remove it for more space when working with thinner materials in tight segments. Need to shear? The built-in cutter, machined from a single steel block and guided on dual linear tracks, handles up to 3mm steel with ease. Thanks to Alligator Software, conical bends are simple and precise. Program any point across the machine's length. No limitations. Draw with a finger. Adjust bend sequences, and access numeric cut lists. The Alligator control system offers intuitive, touchscreen-driven precision. Switch materials with confidence. VHB auto-adjusts using thickness, compensation, angle correction, and optimized pressure profiles. The Allipower hydraulic system with dual-pump inverter tech saves up to 80% energy, engaging only when motion is required. Laser safety beams, dual-pedal emergency stops, and a full-length safety bar ensure operators are protected at all times. With remote support, Industry 4.0 connectivity, and MacTech's trusted service, the VHB is more than a folder. It's a smart fabrication partner, ready to fold smarter. Explore the Stefa VHB and see how MacTech can power your precision. Contact us today or visit mactech.com to learn more.